ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for inviting us to this ASEAN Design Sharing Seminar. Having around 400 people in this convention hall, coming from different design organizations from both Korea and ASEAN member countries, is a good indicator that we are all committed to advance the role of design and creativity in the socio-economic and environmental agenda of our respective countries. We have a challenge for us to find innovative ways on how to increase the level of competitiveness of our design and creative sectors, provide product identification, research, and development services to the private sector, specifically the micro and the small enterprises, conduct seminars and workshops on product design and development, set up design exhibitions, publish product design-related materials, and conduct continuing research on product and product packaging design trends and processing technologies. As an attached agency of the Department of Trade and Industry, we are further mandated to focus our programs and services towards the improvement of the quality and competitiveness of Philippine design and manufactured products in the global market through design. In order to fulfill our mandate, we are currently doing the following functions: develop product designs, undertake applied research on materials manipulation in aid of product development, provide design and technical consultations, conduct technology demonstrations, and promote the industrial design profession and the value of design. We categorize our programs and services into four main areas: product design and development, design research, which include the following: raw materials development and manipulation, library and publication services, technology licensing office, Designers Monday, technology updating workshop, technology consultation, and technical information. For design promotion, the agency, we also have the agency services briefing, designers capability upgrading. We conduct design competition, an industry-wide annual celebration of the World Industrial Design Day, design orientation for elementary and secondary art teachers, seminars and workshops conducted by foreign design consultants, foreign-based and also foreign-based Filipino design consultants. We have industry partnerships, and we also have our on-the-job training and apprenticeship programs for our industrial design students. So for product development, in conducting our product design and development, we offer the free one-on-one design consultations for the micro and small enterprises. During the one-on-one consultations, the SMEs and manufacturers are being provided with design information and recommendations on how to improve the quality and market competitiveness of their products, considering their current capabilities and resources. We conduct our product development services for small and medium enterprises and livelihood organizations throughout the country by anticipating and addressing specific concerns of identified product or industry sectors. We are implementing the following strategies to achieve business objectives. We optimize existing products and existing markets. We develop new products for existing markets. We develop new products for new markets and develop socially and environmentally relevant designs. For design research, we are increasing our acquisition of relevant international design journals and publications, as well as our online design subscriptions, such as the World Global Style Network, also known as WGSN, for global design trends and forecasts. We are also creating local publications for design stakeholders, such as our raw materials development and Philippine ethnic patterns. We infuse and translate both local and international concepts into modern design trends and orient our local small and micro entrepreneurs through seminars, training workshops, and one-on-one consultations. For design research, our researchers are conducting raw materials development and manipulation and surface treatments in support to product design. This is being done through a continuous applied research on local materials such as bamboo, coconut, Manila palm, water hyacinth, buri, sabutan, rattan, among other indigenous raw materials that were, and in addition to what was mentioned earlier by Director Gaitos. The output will serve as materials for products. The finished raw material swatches are then added to the collections of our raw material showroom for reference of the manufacturers. Technologies and applications developed from our raw materials development program are being transferred to SMEs and manufacturers through the conduct of hands-on workshops, learning and application of skills and other techniques related to product development. The Technology Licensing Office is our recent project in response to the needs for protection of intellectual and creative properties for our design stakeholders and assist them in facilitating the commercialization of licenses to qualified organizations to increase the trade and contributions of our design and creative sectors to the Philippine economy. Patents on raw materials secured by PDDCP will be offered for licensing to livelihood associations, cooperatives, and other local-based organizations located in communities near the vicinity of the raw materials to provide them with source of income leveraging from the availability of raw materials and protection of products registered at the Intellectual Property Office. So continuing the Technology Licensing Office, it will contribute to the employment generation and poverty alleviation in support of the government's agenda of inclusive economic growth. For the Designers Monday, this is conducted every Monday of the week. This is a special promotion dedicated to our small and medium enterprises, which is a free 1-hour trends briefing and 1-hour consultation on design ideas, information, and related merchandise development activities for walk-in SMEs and manufacturers. So we have a schedule. For the first Monday, we feature the gifts and housewares, and the second Monday for furniture and home accessories. The third will be on holiday decor, and the fourth for fashion accessories. So the Technology Operating Workshop is another free workshop on various technology procedures and processes such as bleaching, dyeing, palm front making, handmade paper making, paper mache finishing, and lamination. Next year, we intend to include and develop new modules which are for the animation, video gaming, and comics industries. We also bring this technology updating workshop to different regions across the country. Our technology consultation, the PDDCP staff are providing advice on production techniques related to product development. The availability of technical information such as procedures on dyeing, finishing, and handmade paper making are available for the use of the manufacturers, and these are also being made available to different regions across the country. Our library has over 10,000 titles of local and international design-related books, magazines, and forecasts. It is open to the general public, and a periodic survey is conducted to design stakeholders on their recommended design-related publications, which we add to our collections. For design promotion, this is to increase awareness and appreciation of design and its use to the general public through exhibitions, seminars, workshops, dialogues, design competitions, and publications. So our agency briefing is to orient design stakeholders about the programs, projects, and services of the Design Center in order to give them ideas on how they can improve the quality and competitiveness of their product, which are available for free at the Design Center. This is a project we conducted with the regional offices, wherein we train the local designers from the regions to enhance their capabilities, which can provide in-depth product and label design to give assistance to countryside manufacturers who are joining the One Town, One Product program. So for design promotion, We promote industrial design for elementary and high school art teachers. We acquaint them with the strengths and capabilities of our countryside manufacturers by showing the different products and manufactured from different regions across the country. The design competition is a partnership with industry associations to strengthen collaboration between designers and other SMEs. This 2011, we had the 11th year of our fine jewelry design competition for design students and design practitioners in partnership with Mekawayan in Jewelry Industries Association Incorporated. This is located at Bulacan, one of our major jewelry sector. We are also conducting the Green Furniture Design Competition for design students in partnership with the Chamber of Furniture Industries of the Philippines. Graphics and exhibition involves graphic design concepts, exhibition, audiovisual, and layout, and setup services provided to design stakeholders. This is usually also in partnership with different sectors and associations. So for the future, for the next steps, we are going to implement the commercialization of the output of the Technology Licensing Office. This was just started in 2011, so we are now looking forward into coming up with the Department of Science and Technology and also with the Intellectual Property Office in the actual stage of the commercialization. Establishment of the Patent Library in partnership with the Intellectual Property Office of the Philippines. We are also thinking of publication of local design books that will serve as references for design students across the country. We will set up provincial design centers, satellite offices in Cebu and Davao, and expansion of research and development towards semi-mechanized process for the crafts by introducing machines and equipment to enable mass production. So other steps are the creation of the virtual design environment, the web portal. This will provide design users from around the world to search for the list of Filipino designers and Filipino design firms that would match the criteria for their project. This will also serve as a design and creative sharing environment for design stakeholders. The next one is the expansion of PDDCP library by establishing a design, learning, and information center. This will house the design library and bibliographic services that will serve as database of all design-related research for SME manufacturers, Filipino designers, industrial design educators, and industrial design students. So I would like again to thank the KIDP for inviting us for this great opportunity. Thank you very much.